Well, I had the pleasure of listening to an earlier panel today on the program. Matthew Johnson, who's been one of the researchers in the forefront of the psilocybin clinical trials in the States at Johns Hopkins, was speaking about those studies. And really, it is those studies that form the platform for much of my work. And so, as I'm sure your listeners know, what those studies showed is that for patients with advanced illness who had refractory anxiety and depression, a single guided session with psilocybin brought remarkable and sustained relief. So the interest in the end-of-life care advocacy community to open access to that drug, to add a new palliative care tool to the palliative care toolbox is very keen. And it was what led me to be working on Oregon's effort to make legal psilocybin, and also to launch a really interesting advocacy effort to make use of laws that are already on the books across the United States. A supermajority of states, 41, have adopted right to try laws, and the federal government as well. And what those laws recognize is that dying patients do not have the time to wait. As one of your other speakers addressed the very long timeline for new drug development and approval. Dying patients don't have the time to wait. And that is what these statutes recognize. So for patients with advanced illness, they are to be allowed access to what is referred to as an eligible investigational drug.